So we're in the middle of some renovations, and this guy right here has been one of my most used tools. This is a 25-foot magnetic tape measure from Milwaukee. Simple, but surprisingly effective and super handy when you're working by yourself. The magnetic hook lets me lock onto metal and measure without fighting with tape. Nothing flashy, just a well-built tape that makes the job easier. So if you're handling jobs on your own or need an extra pair of hands, this guy is a no-brainer.